Is Anton enjoying some rice? Is that good rice? Oh no. Did you get kind of a big bite there? Oh my. What a silly Willie. Just take a little bite. No, Anton, don't destroy your rice. Oh boy. Your daddy hold that. Yeah. Yeah, just take a bite. Anton. No, we don't need to get that all over the floor. What'd you think about that rice? Oh, bless you.
She's your cousin. Uh-huh. That's Anton. Uh-huh. Yeah, that's you, isn't it? Mama. This is Mommy. And Anton. Yeah.
That's good. Yeah. That's a good boy. And you like your good rice? Yummy? Oh my. You're learning how to eat that rice? Yummy, huh?
Don't spit it out, baby. Eat it.
No, Anton, don't spit it out. Eat that.
Make me ask, you have to eat. If you're done with it, put it back in your box. Put it in the refrigerator. Put it back in the box. And put it in the refrigerator.
Are you done?
Tomorrow for lunch. Put it back in the box. Don't throw it on the floor like that.
No, we're wasting a lot. Let's put that in your box. There's your box over there. You want to put it in your box? Anton, I think you're messing around here now. Try to take another bite. Oh boy, well that's it for the rice. Rice is all gone. Rice is all gone. Oh boy, did you like your rice? Was that good? All gone. All gone. Yummy, but now all gone. No, Anton.